By turning away from the sea and towards the stars, Galileo's telescope created dramatic new evidence. Evidence in favor of a universe with the sun at the center. And in the heart of the Tuscan countryside, astronomer Francesco Palla has been recreating what Galileo saw.
The project was to build a replica of Galileo's original telescope. The main part was the reproduction of the optical system, the lenses. This optical system is very simple. There's one lens at one end and one at the other end.
Despite its simplicity, Galileo's telescope was a small technological leap that created a great advance in science. Through his lenses, he was able to see the night sky as no one had ever done before. This is how he saw the surface of the moon. Night after night, he observed its phases and recorded them in beautiful sketches. But it was the largest planet in our solar system which brought disturbing new evidence. When Galileo looked at Jupiter, this is what he saw. There were objects hovering beside it. At first, he was puzzled.
It's only when, a few days later, he repeats his observations that he sees that the position of the objects have changed. They are not in the same places he recorded in his journal a few days before. This is an epic moment. He must have burst with joy.
No one had seen these bright objects either side of Jupiter before. They are moons circling the planet. This wasn't definite proof of a sun-centered cosmos, but it did help undermine the old view. These were objects orbiting a planet other than the Earth. The news of Galileo's findings quickly spread across Europe. And that's when the trouble really started, because the Catholic Church took notice.